Saturday, September 14th, 2024. Exaltation of the Holy Cross. Focus. As Moses lifted up the serpent in the wilderness, so must the Son of Man be lifted up, that whoever believes in him may have eternal life. The focus reveals how the New Testament is prefigured in the Old. The Israelites had to gaze at the bronze serpent to be saved from the venomous snakes, sent as punishment for their ingratitude to God. Similarly, we gaze at Jesus on the cross, obedient to the point of death. Not only are we saved from the venom of sin, but receive the glorious promise of eternal life. Today's feast has its origin in the miraculous discovery of the true cross of Christ by Saint Helena, mother of Emperor Constantine, on September 14th, 326, while on a pilgrimage to Jerusalem. The words of the beloved hymn, "The Old Rugged Cross," amply express why we exalt the cross. The cross was meant to be an emblem of suffering and shame, but we cling to the old rugged cross because on it the dearest and the best of a world of lost sinners was slain. Indeed, on the old cross, Jesus suffered and died to pardon and sanctify me. That is also why Saint Rose of Lima could say, "Apart from the cross, there is no other ladder by which we may get to heaven." Fruit. Whenever anything disagreeable or displeasing happens to you, remember, Christ crucified, and be silent. Saint John of the Cross.